How's it going, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the 2018 Ram 2500, and for those of you that are new, this is the donor cab off a 2010 Ram 3500, and those are the same from 09 to 2018. And some of you have asked on which truck we are rebuilding. It is going to be the 2018 Ram 2500 we bought from the insurance auto auction. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll link it right up here. Anyways, we got a lot of this cab stripped down, but as you guys know, we bought it with a bunch of body work, some of that being on the roof. So let's go ahead and get started, jump inside, and get this headliner off. I also noticed that the antenna was relocated on the newer cab. It's right here in the front, and then on this 2010, it's down there in the back. And since we're using the newer wiring harness, we are gonna have to make a hole somewhere up there. For now, let's go ahead and get this and get it stored away. All right, guys, so we found a few more damages that we have to take care of on the roof. And then we're also gonna get the antenna right over here welded up. All right, guys, so we got some final body filler on all the dents. The antenna delete is turning out really smooth. Can't even tell it was there. So now let's just hop back on the sanding and get this roof prepped for some prime. So the roof is nicely prepped. All the bodywork feels nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and mix up some primer and slick these patches in, boys.
We about to turn it on. About to turn it on. We about to turn it on.
go. We did go ahead and decide to change the left apron as well. As you can see, we got some damage on this cover, and right over here on the apron, it's actually bent. But we are going to be using the one off the rollover cab. All right, guys, so we just got a call from V-Tune saying he needs to take some measurements for his 1966 Mustang that he's rebuilding. So let's go ahead and take this to his shop and drop this bad boy off. What's up, guys? Next day here, and we just got done with our workout. Make sure you do the same thing. I promise you, you're gonna feel so much better throughout the day. Anyways, let's hop back on the Ram and get this left apron off. Check that out, guys. So we got the apron off right over here, and honestly, it's not even bent that bad. But since we do have a good one on the rollover cab, let's go ahead and go back there and drill that sucker out. Boys, got the apron off, and check this out. It opened it up a lot. We have a lot more room to work with. It's gonna make it easier getting this harness pulled and the steering disconnected when I get ready to pull the cab. Anyways, while I'm back here, some of you have asked about the RX-7 build. I know a lot of you are new on the channel. This is my 93 LS swapped RX-7. Go check out the link in the playlist and show some love to this build. We're gonna be jumping back on this here very soon. We also got wheels for the car. These actually came off of V-Tune's red parts Mustang that he's using to rebuild his 66. Let me know what you think down in the comments. These are 19s. We're just gonna get some skinnier tires in the front and some wider in the rear. They do have some curb rashes, but we could get all that fixed and have them repainted. Any color suggestions, leave them in the comments. I was thinking white. Anyways, we do also got to jump on the 2019 Kawasaki STX. Spring is right around the corner, but for now, let's get back in the garage and just keep moving right along. All right, guys, so back in the garage, and we got these aprons mocked up. I also went ahead and threw this upper radiator support on. That way we can start taking some diagonal measurements and we can get these suckers welded in. This right apron is a Taiwan replacement, which Goon Squad did hook me up with the OEM apron off their dad's wrecked Ram 3500 that they're doing a face conversion on. But that one was slightly bent and I didn't feel like messing with it. So this one should do the trick. And then we got very lucky on our radiator support. We're using this upper bar off this cab right over here. And then we're able to salvage out the lower bar from the rollover cab, which the only thing that's broken are the supporting brackets on the end. And this thing complete is like 700 bucks. We bought these things for like 40. So let's go ahead and unbox them and see if they're correct. So I did get lucky with the headlight brackets and they look like they're the same. And like I said before, we are going to save a pretty penny because this radiator support complete sells for over $700. And it's pretty awesome how Dodge made their parts so interchangeable from the 15 to 3500s. This upper radiator bar is off of 3500. This is off of 2500. And then these headlight brackets are off of 1500. Here's the part number if you're interested. The only other piece that I have to order is this one right here, and it's this little bracket right here that goes up. I'm not sure what it holds, but it basically just bolts onto these right here. So I'm gonna get that from the dealer. Anyways, let's go ahead and clean all this up and call it a day. That's a wrap for this episode. We made some decent progress on the truck. We got all the body work taken care of on the roof, and I will be getting it painted in the next episode. We haven't really landed on a color just yet, but the roof is going gloss black either way it goes. And then we're also going to square up the front end and get these aprons welded on. With that said, thanks guys for all the support. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link is in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. And if you are new on the channel and you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to hit the like, sub, and bell button to support the channel. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.